Murthy from Farm Fresh Bangalore. You all know Farm Fresh Bangalore delivers chemical-free, poison-free, fresh vegetables, fruits, greens and groceries to your doorstep across Bangalore. We have many interesting products. One of the product is tofu. You all know tofu is made from soya beans and it's a very healthy vegan alternate to paneer and cheese. We are also following the same tofu making method which is used worldwide. But what is the speciality of the tofu we are selling from Farm Fresh Bangalore is we are not using any single drop of preservative in the whole process of tofu making. The tofu we are selling from Farm Fresh Bangalore is totally preservative and chemical free. We are choosing organically grown premium quality soya beans. So it won't give beany smell while using tofu. This makes the tofu very soft and firm. So while cooking it won't get break and eating it is very soft. We are making tofu in a smaller batches. It has a shelf life of 7 days to 14 days. So you can feel the freshness and taste while cooking the tofu. So these are all the speciality of the tofu what we are selling from Farm Fresh Bangalore. No more waiting. To place orders, visit our website farmfreshbangalore.com. For more details, you can call us at 9739575466.